Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are experiencing any type of shoulder pain, neck pain, then this video is very useful for you. In many cases, it is seen that trapezius muscle dysfunction can lead to shoulder pain and neck pain, and sometimes it was seen that the trapezius muscle referred pain goes up to the head area. This will cause the cervicogenic headache, especially in those patients who have sedentary lifestyle and who are desktop worker. So in today's video, I will teach you how you will heal your trapezius muscles. So let's start with a practical demo. So patient is in the supine line position, and let's say this is the patient who is having pain on the right side of neck area, lower neck area and upper shoulder area. So what you will have to do is you have to take a towel roll or a pillow and place it on the side that is need to be treated. Now you have to lateral flex your neck towards the side of lesion and rotate the neck towards the side of lesion in this way. Now place towel roll or a pillow under the affected side shoulder in this way. Now you have to flex the elbow up to the 90 degrees and abduct the shoulder. Now you have to external rotate the humerus in this way. So this is the preparation of the exercise. You have to lateral flex your neck, rotate the neck towards the side of lesion, towards the side of pain. You have to flex your elbow up to the 90 degrees. You have to external rotate your humerus and abduct the shoulder joint. Now stay in this position at least up to 2 to 3 minutes until the tension is released in the dysfunction area. Now as the tension released, you have to increase your shoulder horizontal abduction range gradually and ask patient to hold in this position again for 3 to 5 minutes. So what we will do here, we will put the trapezius muscle in the shortened position that will heal itself after some times and relax. So what is the exercise? You have to lateral flex your neck towards the side of lesion and rotate the neck. Now you have to abduct your arm, affected side arm, and flex the elbow and external rotate the shoulder joint. Now ask patient to hold the position until the tissue of the dysfunction area is released. When the patient tells the tissue of the dysfunction area is released, you have to increase the shoulder horizontal abduction range and also ask the patient to hold in this position for more 2 to 3 minutes. Relax. So by doing this maneuver, you will heal your trapezius muscle yourself. So this is the very best home exercise for the patient who are having complaint of neck and shoulder pain. So do try this technique in your home and let us know your valuable feedback in our comment section. Till then, stay connected and thank you.